Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. My name is Elniati. I come from English Literature class D. And first of all, I would like to say thank you to Ms. Satyariani as the lecturer for the thesis writing subject and the other audience as well. So, in this video, I would like to present about my thesis proposal. So the title of my thesis proposal is Associative Meaning Interpretation in Siedd Selected Song Lyrics. The table of content consists of Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, about the review of related literature, and the Chapter 3, about research method. So Chapter 1, background of the study. Song is a well-known literary work. A song is a type of poetry that combines lyrics and music. Music helps the lyrics of the song become more dramatic, which has the power to alter listeners' feelings. There are some music genres in society. One of them is religious song. Religious songs have profound lyrics. It is difficult for listeners to fully comprehend the meaning behind the lyrics, so it is necessary to analyze religious song lyrics in order to gain a better grasp of the implied meaning behind the songs. Semantics is a language approach that study about meaning. There are some types of semantic meaning. One of them is associative meaning. Therefore, the researcher is interested to analyze religious song by Siedd, using the theory associative meaning by Leach, because the song contains meaningful lyrics that's actually influenced by the background of the songwriter itself. So research question, the researcher only formulate one question, that is, how are associative meanings employed in Siedd selected song lyrics? Objective of the study is to describe associative meanings employed in Siedd selected song lyrics. Significance of the study. The first is theoretically significance. The researcher expects the result of this study can increase students' knowledge about semantics, especially about associative meaning. And the second, practically significance. This study can be a reference for the student to support their research about meaning in semantic study. For the lecturer, this study is expected to be alternative material for teaching in the semantic field, especially about associative meanings topic. Scope and limitation of the study. The scope of the study is semantic analysis in Siedd selected song lyrics. Specifically, the study is limited just to identify associative meaning by using Leach theory. Other types of semantic meaning, such as literal meaning, grammatical meaning, figurative language, are not examined in this study. Chapter 2 consists of some theories. The first is semantics. In linguistics, semantics is a subdiscipline that studies the meaning of words, phrases, or sentences in a language. So it can be concluded that semantics is the study of meaning in language and attempt to describe the meaning within the words, phrases, or sentences that is expressed by the speaker or writer. And the second is about meaning. The concept of meaning refers to the function of language in conveying information. Leach has defined meaning in its broad sense, resulting in 7 categories of meanings, but one of them is associative meaning. So associative meaning is the meaning that doesn't only focus on literal meaning, but also to the context beyond the words. Okay, Leach has divided associative meaning become 5 parts. The first is connotative meaning. Connotative meaning refers to implicit meaning, which is not the true meaning of the word. And social or stylistic meaning. Social meaning is what language conveys about the social circumstances of the speaker. Affective meaning. This meaning expresses the emotions of the speaker. Reflective meaning. Reflective meaning is a meaning of a word or phrase that has double concepts of meaning or relates with a word or phrase that has multiple meanings. Collocative meaning refers to associations with other words because of its usual or habitual co-occurrence with certain types of words. Lyric also known as a product of poetry. takes the form of song lyrics that are created with poetic nuances accompanied by music. Previous study. The first is an interpretation analysis of associative meaning towards Obama's speech entitled Thesis, Young Generation's World to Shape by Mustika Reza Amelia in 2020. And second, the metaphor analysis of selected some lyrics by Bajara Ramadika in 2022. And the last is analysis of denotation, connotation, and myth in the Gentleman movie by Putri Wulandari in 2020. Chapter 3 Research Method. The first is Research Design. Research design used in this study is the qualitative descriptive method. Qualitative research wants to investigate the meanings of experiences by investigating how people define, describe, figuratively make sense of their experiences, social cultural meaning. Data and source of data. The object of the data in this research is Siedd selected song lyrics. This data in the form of music videos in YouTube. It consists of 20 songs. In this research, the researcher only selected 4 songs from 20 songs. Selected songs are Back to You, Journey, Fly, Remember Me. The data of this study are words, phrases, lyric contents in the selected songs. Instrument of the research. The first is human as the first instrument, and the second is about the music videos, song lyrics, some research journals, some previous studies, a laptop, books, and a Google related to the theory that is used in the research. Technique of collecting data. The first is the researcher selected 6 song lyrics, and the second, the researcher read the lyrics of 6 selected song lyrics. And the third is the researcher selected some words, phrases that contain associative meanings. And the last is the researcher is collected the data containing associative meanings. And the last is about technique of analyzing data. The first, according to Denzim and Lincoln, there are several following procedures. The first is preparing the data that has been collected from some references, and the second, reading and rereading and sorting data from song lyrics that are indicated associative meanings. The third is describe the data that has been collected. The fourth is explain meanings by interpreting associative meanings that are found in the song lyrics by using leech theory. And the fifth is summarizing data that are collected. That's all my presentations. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm sorry if I have any mistakes in my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.